Hi Hunties, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reorganizing my makeup collection. So the most essential product in this video is from the store Daiso. It's actually these acrylic containers that are stackable. These containers are usually $1.50 each, and I really love them because they're a great way to optimize a small space. So my first step is to remove all of the makeup that is currently in the drawer, emptying it out completely, and then wiping it down with a wet wipe. So this is a great tip if you do purchase these acrylic trays from Daiso. Go ahead and peel off the sticker with a pair of tweezers. It comes off flawlessly and it saves you a lot of time. So this top drawer is where I like to keep products that I reach for on the daily. I will also put new products that I'm trying out in this top drawer. So I'm just wiping everything down as I organize, and I'm really just going with the flow, seeing what I like and changing things up as I go along. These drawers are from IKEA and they are called the Alex drawers. I will link them in the description box for anyone who is interested. Moving on to the rest of the drawers, I'm just going to repeat the process of removing everything and then wiping it down and placing the organizers back in. Okay, so here are the befores and afters. I'm so satisfied with how this project turned out. I think that it looks great, and I just really love when everything's organized. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Follow me on all my social medias at Hunty Hunter. Links are in the description box below as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.